Now we encounter a powerful boundary control mechanism in this line. We're assigning to reading max, but inside of max we have 0, comma, and then we have a min function inside of the max function. The min starts with 1, comma, then base reading plus noise, and closes out. And then you've got the final close of the max function that this resides inside of. We want to focus on the min function here because we haven't covered this yet in the course. The min function compares multiple values and returns the smallest one. It's Python's tool for enforcing upper limits and preventing values from exceeding maximum thresholds. So min 1 base reading plus noise compares two values. The number 1, which is our maximum threshold. Then it's comparing that against the calculated value that is resulting from base reading plus noise. And it's going to return whichever is smaller. That's the job of min. So if base reading plus noise equals 0.7, min 1, 0.7 returns 0.7, staying within the bounds and returning the smallest number. You can think about different examples like that, but this is upper boundary enforcement. Real scientific sensors have physical limitations. They can't register readings above 100% or below 0%. A quantum field detector measuring consciousness levels can't show readings above 1.0, 100% detection strength, potentially, right? The min function prevents unrealistic values in scientific simulations. Even if our base reading plus measurement noise would calculate to 1.3, min caps it at 1.0, ensuring sensor readings stay within the 0 to 1 range that represents realistic equipment behavior. This is exactly how physical sensor limitations work in laboratory equipment. Your consciousness detector might calculate a theoretical reading of 130%, but the actual sensor might max out at 100%. So min is going to enforce that upper limit. The min function works as the counterpart to max, not surprising, for complete boundary control. So max prevents the values from going too low, while min prevents them from going too high, creating realistic equipment behavior that matches physical sensor limitations.